Hello, today I've got a Chubb rim cylinder. I've actually got the full door unit, and it's actually the original door unit for one of my relatives. He's got like I think a hattie on his door, and it's crap. So he asked us to get him a door unit, like a cheap one, and I was saying this for £15, and I snapped it up. It's like actually got the original packaging. It's going to be a shame to open it up, and it's got the Chubb address there, Wolverhampton there. Chubb. And I don't know if this Chubb is a 4L73 or a 4L74. So in the description I'll just put Chubb rim cylinder. As you can see, it all works sweet. I've just took the tailpiece off, but I've left the clip on because it gets caught in the back of the vise, and as you keep hitting there. And Chubb was always ahead of the time anyway when it came to making locks and all that kind of stuff, you know what I mean? So I want to give it a shot, see what it's like to get this thing. I had one of these, I didn't pick it, at the time I couldn't pick it. I'd give it a Javid Patel, but I managed to rake it, and I've done like a video on raking various locks like years ago. So give this a shot. Let's go in. I'm going to just use light tension like I always do. Whenever I can't get any feedback, I'll put the tension up. Right. Click on 1, 2, I think on 3, off, click on 4, I think on 5, click on 6, we've got a little turn on the core, 1, 2, click, I think on 3, click on 4, right, just try and get a grip of pin 1 again. Click on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 a click, 6 a slight click, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Looks like everything feels like it's set. 1, check 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna keep on this lock and come back on myself. It's 5 a click. Nothing on 4. That's 3 a click. 2. Nothing on 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there we go. I've got it open. It's open. Right. See what's in this thing. I've got this tight because it was slipping out. Right. Let's just turn that round. Get rid of this vise. And we'll put this neck down on this so we can see what we're doing. We don't need that anymore. We can lock it up as well, a key. Get this clip out if I can. Hopefully it just pushes out. Oh. Right, let's see what's in the old Chubb. Don't want to mess this up. Oh, that's got deep counter metal in that, like. Right, let's get this out. Yes, tapered key pins. Surprised using light tension getting that open. I thought I would have had to use a bit more medium tension to get that out. You can see that oops, that was me there, 1, 2, 3, that one came out of that one, so that one comes into that one, and that one, tapered up, all tapered key pins. Right, I'll show you in the car. As you can see, counter milled right up. So stick that there and we'll have a look what's up top. Standard. Just a standard, which I felt that one a standard. See if I can get this other one out. And that is a spool. It looks like them spools remind me, but no, they don't. I was thinking of a lock. Right, I think they're going to be all spools, or they're going to be a few standards. No, it looks like it's going to be all spools. It felt like number 1, I think number 6 felt like a standard. I don't know if it has got one. No, it was, I was right. Because them were the easiest ones I'd set. And tiny little springs. Like I say, Chubb locks have become highly collectible now. On eBay, some of these Chubbs go for really strong money. Like, I always have one spring stuck. Because it's hanging out. There we go. So there we have it. The Chubb rim cylinder, high security. Let's sort that out. Right, I'll just zoom this in a tad. Focus, gotta get rid of that. And the key. Now you can see standard in 1, standard in number 6, all spools, and the key pins are definitely tapered up. I'll show you one before I end the vid. Right. As you can see there, if I focus to see the tapered on them. So anyway, thank you for watching, and bye.